Edikang Ikong soup is one of the most popular soup in Akwa Ibom State and Cross River State, and that's what we are making today. Hey guys, welcome back to Shapula Kitchen. It's Chef MMN in the building. I'll be using cow head, snail, peppers, smoked catfish, onions, periwinkle, dried prawns, crayfish, palm oil, stockfish, bullion cube, and salt. I'll be using pumpkin leaves and water leaves. So guys, let's go ahead and season our stockfish and snail. Add some water and cook till it's soft. I'll also add my cow hair to a pressure pot, add some salt and water and cook till it's soft and tender. I'm using my food processor to cut my water leaves and my pumpkin leaf. You can use knife and cutting board if you don't have a food processor. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share my videos, comment. I want to hear from you. Thank you. After prepping all my ingredients, I'll go ahead and cook the soup. I add oil to my preheated pot, add some pepper, and blended onions. I go in with my meat, stockfish and snail, and stir. I added my water leaf, my crayfish and smoked catfish. I also added my periwinkle, I go in with my bullion cube to check for the taste. And my taste is perfectly okay. I go in with some extra palm oil, then I add my pumpkin leaf, I go in with some more palm oil, and yeah, Edikang Ikong soup is ready. Edikang Ikong soup cooks with oil. If you check, I did not add the broth of my meat to my soup. In my dialect, we say efere adan edide mongesie. Okay, that means soup that oil is water. Okay. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Please like this video, comment and share my videos. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.